Hello viewers, you're welcome once again to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, like I promised you guys, I'll always be coming with beautiful videos from Malaysia. Today I'm going to the KL Bird Park, okay? And I'm taking off from KL Central. As you can see, this actually NU Central is a part of KL Central. So I'm taking Grab, and it's just 9 ringgit from here, okay? But there are other transportation means to get there. You can go through the free KL bus from KL Central towards that side, the red one towards that side. So stay tuned, enjoy yourself, and stay to the end of this video. Much love. Okay, so when you just come here, actually you have to go to the ticket counter, and yeah, this one you have to pay for the bird park. You have to pay, yes. So I'll show you guys the process. Okay, cannot pay that money and do video. So yes, this is the ticket, and it's actually 63 ringgit for adults and 42 for kids. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna convert for you guys in dollars. Okay, so yeah, this is just it, and from here you can go inside. Okay, these are other informations for you guys, the daily activities. I don't know if it's clear. Basically, they close by 6 p.m. So let me just show you guys outer view. This is basically how the outer view looks like, and it's not too close. It's not too far from KL Central, because from KL Central to this place is actually 9 ringgit only. Okay. 9 ringgit only. So let's go inside and see what we want to do quickly. It's going to be a brief one and catch you inside. So yeah, once you get the ticket, before you go in, they put this thing on my hand. I don't even know what is this, but anyway, ticket as normal, you know, the normal process. Anyway, you're going. So this is the door. This door looks quite strange. I hope a bird will not come and oh, I've already seen some birds already, you know. Wow. Okay, this is quite beautiful. So you guys, I'm just going to show you basically around. There's a bird show today.
12:30 to 3 p.m.
Oh.
But I think we would have missed it because it's
What's the time now? So there are actually bird shows, you know, in this place, and I think for today the bird show is around 12:30 to 3 p.m. but 3:30 p.m. Wow. How are you? Hey, what's up?
What's up, man?
Yeah, I just met this good friend of mine. How are you?
Yeah.
So what's your name?
Pari.
Pari.
Yeah,
Okay.
what's your name?
I'm Faith. This wonderful guy. You are Malaysian?
I'm Malaysian.
Okay, so I'm from Nigeria,
Okay.
Africa, yeah, but I'm studying here in Malaysia, and I'm a YouTuber also, University Malaya.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So tell us, what do you think about this place? This is your, I know this is not your first time of coming here, right?
First time.
First time? And you are a Malaysian?
Yes.
Can you imagine? So Malaysians, anywhere you're watching me all over the world, this guy is a Malaysian and this is first time of coming here. So you guys should come here, okay? And tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Don't forget to subscribe Pet channel.
Yeah.
YouTube. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is Hornbill Park Zone 3. So yeah, there are 10 species of hornbills living in Malaysia. Wow. And can mostly be found in forest reserves such as Bolu, Temegor Forest Reserve, Lake Kenyi, and as well as in Sarawak, okay, which is known as the land of the hornbills. So people from Sarawak, do you want me to visit Sarawak? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will plan for a journey to Sarawak. This one is called Asian Black Hornbill. And yeah, they said please do not feed the birds, okay, for security reasons. Do not feed the birds. These are some wonderful fishes, and the fishes have food. Yeah, so just take a look at the beautiful fishes, enjoying nature. These ones are big. I trust some places. If not some places, the same for don't come with backo bag. Now wow, this one is 1 month food. Okay, so basically this is a photo booth where you can take beautiful pictures with the birds, you understand? You It's so beautiful, and there's the instant one they will do for you there, which is 35 ringgit, and you can also take with your phone. This one looks like a turkey. I don't know whether I should call it wild turkey. Okay, so look at it, so big. Okay, so they are actually doing a bird show here, so I'm going to take you guys around and show you, and let's go and enjoy ourselves and see the birds display for us. Sorry, I'm going to reveal now. You guys will see. Those birds are actually saying what the commentator is saying. So let's quickly run there and see what's happening. Without that, I think this video will not be complete. It's really a beautiful place to visit, really.
After you finish your mouth. And for next, we are going to have a free flight performance. Okay, as a reminder, everyone, please remain seated and do not raise your hand to touch the bird. Next, we have our macaque reply above your head. Okay, now please welcome Zizu. Anyone see Zizu? Our great
You guys are going to see some wonderful birds displaying themselves. Zizu! Wow!
And for next, Zizu want to show his dancing. Okay, Zizu want to dancing, and I need your cooperation to clap your hand according to the music. But now we wait Zizu to come down here. Okay, and macaque, their diet, what they eat. Okay, macaque they eat sunflower seed, nut, vegetable, and also fruit. Okay. Music, ready? Okay, Zizu.
This bird wants to dance.
Okay, guys, come on, clap your hands. Come on. Zizu, don't be shy. Okay, guys, come on, please go to Zizu. This is your nice dancing for today. And for
This one I can do moving. Even for this video, you can edit it. So the thing will be moving, you understand? So pigeons, small pigeons. What's the name? Just capture that one so that I can explain. So this thing, they say they have mood swing. Mentality. What sort of birds are these? God of my father. Yes, show your skill, show your skill. Oh, look at this peacock, wonderful, fantabulous. Fantastic, so beautiful, you know. at this peacock actually, right? These are all of them are when they are young, okay? Now look at this one now. It's still going to grow and be beautiful like this. Wow. What a paradox. So yeah guys, this place is actually very close to the park, the bird park. So it's called a Botanic Bedana Botanical Garden, you understand? I've actually videoed this place. If you want to watch the video, just look at it there in the link. And yeah, here is just like a big park, botanical garden, like a garden. They do a lot of parties, celebrations, concerts. I think currently they are doing a concert here and some art display. Yeah, how are you? Okay, look at these wonderful people. So great, they are greeting us. Thank you so much. So yeah, you can really come and enjoy yourself. It's just close to the bird park. Very close, it's walkable. Okay, so you can go enjoy yourself. There are also places where you can get food. Okay, some food. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching till this time. I hope you enjoyed what you have seen in this place. Yeah, it's a beautiful place to be, a lot of birds. As you can see them, oh, there's even one peacock at my back. Yeah, so there are a lot of wonderful birds here. Just come here, visit this place and enjoy yourself, okay? And the fee, I'm going to put it on the screen somewhere. Yeah, you're going to see it, how much you need to actually come to this place. Make sure you share my videos, like the videos and comment down below, okay? You'll be doing the channel a great favor because it is our channel, not just my channel. Till I see you next time, I remain my humble servant, Patuk. Stay positive, much love and God bless you. Bye-bye.
Alright,